Let's see the balance sheet of A, B and C Company Limited at the end of 2015 and 2016 given below. Liability 2015-2016 opening 1 lakh, share capital closing 1,50,000. Share premium opening dash closing 5,000, which means share capital increased by 50,000, share premium raised by 5,000. So 55,000 raised, we can put it in the issue of share capital. In fund flow statement, issue of share capital, that is source of funds, we can put 55,000. 50,000 share capital, 5,000 premium, 55,000 we can put it in source of funds. General reserve increased by 10,000. We can put it in adjusted P&L account debit side 10,000. Profit loss on opening 10,000. Buy balance brought down in adjusted P&L account. Closing 17,000. Two balance carried down in adjusted P&L account. Opening and closing. Debenture 70,000 opening, 50,000 closing. So 20,000 we have repaid, redeemed. So 20,000 redemption we can put it in the application of funds. 6% interest is there. There are two options. Either we can show interest on the opening balance or we may not show interest. Here I am not going to show interest here. I am going to leave interest. So provision for depreciation of plant. We will prepare separate ledger for this. I tell you how to solve depreciation of plant provision. Similarly, provision for depreciation of furniture I will put separately for the depreciation provision also. Taxation, there are two options available. Either we can prepare ledger for taxation. We can prepare ledger for taxation, or another option. Last year provision for taxation 20,000 paid now. Current year provision for taxation 30,000, which maybe comes under adjusted P&L account. There are two options. Either we can prepare ledger or this is the option. So provision for taxation opening 20,000 we paid current year, it may be application. 30,000 provision for taxation adjusted P&L account debit side. So creditors comes under current liability. Freehold land 1 lakh there is no change. Plant and cost opening 1,04,000, closing 1 lakh. We'll check it out. Either it may be depreciation or it may be sold. We'll check it out with the adjustment. Furniture opening 7,000, closing 9,000. We'll prepare notes. Investment opening 60, closing 80,000. 20,000 investment purchased. Application of funds. Debtor opening 730, closing 70, current asset. Stock opening 60, closing 65, current asset. Cash opening 30, closing 45, current asset. So plant purchase 4,000, depreciation 2,000 was sold for cash for 800 on September 30, 2015. So which means 4,000 purchased, depreciation 2,000. Now the cost is 2,000. The 2,000 machinery sold for 800. Therefore the loss is 1,200. So 4,000 at the time of purchase. Now depreciation 2,000. Balance 2,000 now. WDV 2,000 now. 4,000 minus depreciation 2,000, 2,000 WDV. Now 2,000 WDV sold for 800. So 1,200 loss. The loss can transfer to adjusted P&L account. On June 30, 2015, item of furniture was purchased for 2,000. This is application. We will prepare furniture account separately. These were the only transaction concern fixed asset. Dividend 22.5% of original shares was paid. Original shares means equity share capital. Equity share capital opening 1 lakh. Opening 1 lakh into 22.5%, that is equivalent to 22,500. This is purely application of funds as well as adjusted P&L account we can put debit side. So you are going to prepare fund flow statement and they are in their respective accounts. Let's see how to solve. So first step 1, always step 1, changes in working capital. So particular opening, that is 31/3. So 31/3 2015 only given, end. So 2015 end. So 2016 end of 2015 and 2016 given. So first number 1 current asset. So current asset number 1 debtor. Debtors opening 30,000. 70,000 closing, debtors closing. Next stock opening 60,000. Stock closing 65,000. Current asset. Cash current asset opening 30,000, closing 45,000. So these are the current assets, only 3 current assets. Remaining things are fixed asset and investments. Next, so current asset total here 1,20,000, here 1,20,000. So here 1,80,000, 1,80,000, 1,80,000. So this is total current assets, total current assets. Next, current liability, current liability. So under current liability, we have creditors, So creditors opening 86,000, closing 95,000, closing 95,000. So current liability. Similarly, provision for tax, I am going to treat as a current liability. I am not going to prepare any ledger. So provision for taxation, I am going to prepare as a current liability, right. Opening provision for taxation, 86, opening provision for taxation, 20,000, closing provision for taxation, 30,000. So only two things are current liability, that's it, 86,000, 95,000, 20,000, 30,000, that's it. So total current liability, 1,06,000 here, 1,25,000, here 1,25,000, right. Now working capital. So working capital is nothing but current asset minus current liability. What is current asset opening? 1,20,000, current asset opening. What is current liability? Current liability opening 1,06,000, So current asset 1,20,000, current liability 1,06,000. So 1,20,000 minus 1,06,000, that is equivalent to 14,000. So 14,000 working capital. Similarly, next year end, 1,80,000 opening, year end, closing, current liability closing 1,25,000, So closing current asset minus closing current liability, 1,80,000 minus 1,25,000, that is equivalent to 55,000, right. Now current asset minus current liability opening, similarly current asset minus current liability closing given. Now opening working capital 14,000, closing working capital 55,000. But there is an increase in working capital. So 55,000 total is higher. We can put 55,000 here also. So 14 to 55, how much increases? 41,000 increases. So 14 to 55, 41,000 increases. Therefore, increase in working capital 41,000. This increase in working capital we can put it in application side. We can put it in application of funds. This is step 1. Step 2, always you have to prepare adjusted P&L account. Whenever we need any notes, we can prepare notes. Adjusted profit and loss account. Right. Step 1, opening P&L account given. That is equivalent to 10,000. Closing 17,000. So by balance brought down. Opening 10,000 given, rupees, 10,000 given. So closing 2 balance carried on, 17,000 given. So this is known, we prepared, right. Now depreciation. We have to prepare. So refer note 1, right. So refer note 1. Next 2, I am going to prepare note 1 now. Transfer to general reserve. This is already known. General reserve opening 50,000, closing 60,000. So 10,000 increases general reserve, which means profit and loss account we transfer the amount to general reserve. So general reserve is credited by 10,000 more. So P&L account we have to debit it. So 60,000 minus 50,000. Minus 50,000. So 50 to 60 it is increased, therefore 10,000 increased. Similarly, next we prepare notes and we will come back again. For notes, we can prepare provision for depreciation of plant. So provision for depreciation of plant. So whenever depreciation of plant is given, it is always, operation depreciation is always a liability item. Therefore opening is always by balance brought down, it is always liability, therefore it is opening. So provision of depreciation of plant opening 50,000, opening 50,000. To balance carried on, that is closing 56,000, right, 56,000 plant, right. Now plant purchased 4,000, depreciation 2,000, sold for 800, which means this depreciation already gone. This depreciation on plant, we sold. Therefore 2,000 depreciation was written off from 4,000. See, point number 1, plant purchased 4,000, depreciation 2,000 was sold for 800, therefore depreciation 2,000 was gone. See here, credit side opening 50,000, if there is any additional depreciation should be credited, if there is any removal of depreciation should be debited. So here it is removed, be debited, right. Missing figure by profit and loss account, which means this amount belongs to current year depreciation, which means 58,000 total. So 58,000 total, balance sheet figure 8,000, therefore this is belongs to balancing figure 8,000. This is current year depreciation 8,000, right. Similarly, provision for depreciation of furniture, so again provision depreciation is always liability. So by balance brought down, that is going to be opening. So by balance brought down opening, it is going to be 5,000. So to balance carried on closing 6,000, right. Now June 30, 2015, item of furniture was purchased for 2,000, right. Now, so provision depreciation we have prepared. So furniture opening 5,000, closing 6,000, which means this depreciation transferred to P&L account, nothing more. So missing figure by profit and loss account, here 6,000, here 6,000, here 6,000, here 6,000. So here 6,000, here 1,000 rupees. This is belongs to current year. So current year depreciation here 8,000 for plant, furniture it is going to be 1,000. So total depreciation 9,000, 9,000, right. Come back here, depreciation note 1. So that is 8,000 for plant, 1,000 for furniture, this is for plant, this is for furniture. So total depreciation 9,000, right. Now, so the plant account, so plant 4,000 cost, depreciation 2,000. Now WD value 2,000. It is sold for 800. So 2,000 sold for 800, balance 1,200. This 1,200, 2,000 machine plant, 2,000 plant sold for 800, therefore 1,200 loss. So loss on sale of plant is equivalent to 1,200. Loss on sale of plant 1,200. So loss on sale of plant, sale of plant, loss on sale of plant 1200, loss on sale of plant 1200, right. Next, 2, dividend we have to pay 1 lakh opening equity capital into 22.5 percentage we have to pay, 22.5 percentage we have to pay, that is equivalent to 22,500, right. Total 9,000 depreciation, 10,000 transferred to general reserve, loss on sale of plant 1200, dividend 1 lakh into 22.5 percentage on equity capital 22,500, 70,000 closing, so total 59,700. Always adjusted P11 debit side will be always higher. Therefore, missing figure fund from operations that is equivalent to 49,700. This is always source. Source 49,700 source. Right. Now you have to prepare fund flow statement. Last stage, fund flow statement. So fund flow statement. Now it's going to be source of funds. Here it is going to be application of funds. So source of funds, fund from operations in adjusted P&L account, it is going to be 49,700, right. Similarly, sale of plant source, it is sold for 800, it is source. Similarly, equity shares opening 1 lakh, closing 1 lakh 50 with the premium 5,000, 55,000 we have issued. So issue of equity share capital and premium, that is 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs, 1 lakh equity share capital opening, closing 1.5 lakhs, therefore 50,000 plus premium raised 5,000, therefore 55. How the 50,000 come? 1.5 lakhs minus 1 lakh, therefore 50,000 we raised equity capital. This is equity share capital with the security premium 5,000. So 1 lakh to 1 lakh 50,000 equity capital plus 5,000 premium, therefore 55,000 capital raised with the premium. Similarly here investment purchased, that is equivalent to opening investment 60,000, closing investment 80,000. So 80,000 minus 60,000, that is equivalent to 20,000 investment purchased. Next, increase in working capital. So that is already we have put application side. So increase in working capital 41,000. See already we prepared increase in working capital 41,000. Similarly, dividend paid, equity dividend paid, that is equivalent to 22,500. That is also application. Purchase of furniture. So 2,000 rupees furniture purchased, that is equivalent to application. 2,000 rupees furniture purchased, that is equal to application. Debenture redeemed, 70,000 debenture, closing 50,000, 20,000 redeemed, repaid. So debenture redeemed. So opening debenture 70,000, closing debenture 50,000, which means 20,000 debenture redeemed, repaid. So 20,000 debenture redeemed, that's it. Now make a total 1,05,500. Here also 1,05,500. That's it. Let's see. From the balance sheet of A Limited, prepare statement of changes in working capital. Number 2, fund flow statement. Liability 31st March 2015-2016. Assets 31st March 2015-2016. Equity share capital opening 3 lakhs, closing 4 lakhs. 1 lakh raised. So it is a source of funds. 8% preference share capital 1.5 lakhs. Balance closing 1 lakh. So therefore its application. So preference share capital may be redeemed. We'll check the preparing notes. P&L account opening 30,000, closing 48,000. So adjusted P&L account we have to opening 30,000, buy balance brought down, 48,000, two balance carried on, closing. General reserve 40,000 to 70,000 increased. So the difference 30,000 we have to debit in adjusted P&L account. This increase in general reserve. Proposed dividend 42,000, 50,000. So here last year dividend 42,000 now paid, therefore 40,000 is application of funds. 50,000 this current year proposed dividend we can take, it will be taken to proposed dividend, it will taken to adjusted P&L debit side. Creditors opening 55,000, closing 83,000. This changes in working capital, current liability we can post. Bills payable changes in working capital. Provision for taxation opening 40,000, closing 50,000. Point number 3, income tax paid has been given. So we'll prepare a separate ledger for provision for taxation. Goodwill 1,15,000 asset side, 90,000 closing. Difference written off, adjusted P&L debit side 25,000. Land and buildings 2 lakhs opening, closing 1,70,000. We prepare separate notes. There is a depreciation also given. Plant opening 80,000, closing 2 lakhs. Depreciation of plant also given. We will prepare separate note. Debtor opening 1,60,000, closing 2 lakhs. So changes in working capital, current asset. Stock 77,000, 1,09,000. Changes in working capital, current asset. Bills receivable 20,000, 30,000. Changes in working capital, current asset. Cash in hand 15,000, 10,000. Again current asset, changes in working capital. Cash at bank 10,000, 8,000. Current asset, changes in working capital. So note number 1, depreciation 10,000 and 20,000 have been charged to plant and machinery and land and buildings. Internet even 20,000 has been paid. Adjusted P&L account debit side and application of fund. Income tax 35,000 has been paid. So we will prepare separate notes for income tax. Let's see how to solve the problem. So step number 1, step 1, changes in working capital. Changes in working capital. Changes in working capital. Changes in working capital. So particular 2015, 31/3/2015, 31/3/2016, 2016. Right. Number 1, current asset. Current asset datas. First we will start with datas. So datas opening 1,60,000. Debtor closing 2 lakhs. So 40,000 increased. Next stock opening 77,000, current asset. Stock closing 1,09,000. Next bills receivable. Bills opening 20,000, closing 30,000, 10,000 increases. Cash in hand, current asset. 15,000 opening, closing 10,000 decreases. Cash at bank, 10,000 opening, 8,000 closing. That's it. So this is current asset. Current asset total 2,82,000. Here 3,57,000. So this is total current assets. Right. Now we have to prepare total current liability. Next current liability. So current liability number one creditor. So creditor opening 55,000. Creditor closing 83,000. Bills payable current liability. Bills payable opening 20,000. Closing 60,000. Payable reduced, which means we paid something. Bills payable. That's it. So balance things we can prepare separately ledger, separate ledger for proposed dividend and preparation for taxation. So total current liability 75,000, here 99,000. This is going to be total current liabilities. Total current liabilities 75,000 and 99,000. Now working capital. Working capital, current asset minus current liability. So current asset 2,82,000 minus current liability 75,000. Number 2,07,000. 2,82 minus 75, 2,07,000. Next, similarly, 3,57,000, 99,000. 3,57,000, 99,000. So 2,58,000. Right. Now 3,57,000 minus 99,000, 2,58,000. 2,82,000 minus 75,000, 2,07,000. So opening working capital and closing working capital. So working capital automatically increases from 2,07,000 to 2,58,000. So total 2,58,000 closing. This is higher. 2,58,000 higher. So difference 51,000. Difference 51,000. So this is nothing but increase in working capital. Increase in working capital is nothing but application of funds. Application of funds. We'll post it in application of funds. This 51,000. Decrease in working capital means source. Increase in working capital means application of funds. 51,000. Right. Step number 1 is over. Step number 2, we have to prepare adjusted profit and loss account. For this, we have to prepare separate notes also. We'll prepare it, no issues. So adjusted P&L account. First one, depreciation. Depreciation has been given in the notes. That is 10,000 and 20,000. 10,000 and 20,000. So 10,000 for plant, 20,000 for buildings. So that is equivalent to 30,000. Depreciation comes under adjusted P&L account. Next, clearly given, so steady we can post. Next, so preference dividend, they are not mentioning it about. They are not mentioning anything about preference dividend. Here we have option. Either we can take or not to take. Here I am taking. Once we taken, it can be taken to the application of funds also. So preference dividend means we can started in adjusted P&L account. Similarly, it might have been paid. We may treat it as an application of funds also. There are two options. If you are going to leave, you should not post it here. Similarly, you should not show it in the application of funds also. So preference dividend opening 1.5 lakhs. Preference capital opening 1.5 lakhs. We are supposed to pay 8% preference dividend. That is equivalent to 12,000. Same 12,000 we have to post it in the application of funds also. The same amount you have to post it in the application of funds. Application of funds also we have to post. 12,000. Right. Next one, transfer to general reserve. Transfer to general reserve. So general reserve opening 40,000. Closing 70,000. So 70,000 minus 40,000. So 30,000 transferred to general reserve. So it should be debited to adjusted P&L account. So adjusted P&L account is all about non-operating expenses to be debited and non-operating income to be credited. Next, we will prepare separate notes for taxation. Taxation will prepare separate notes. So provision for taxation. The format for provision for taxation, by balance brought down, because it is always a liability. By balance brought down 40,000. Opening 40,000. To balance carry down, that is closing. To balance carry down, that is closing. That is 50,000 closing. 50,000 closing, right. Point number 3, income tax 50,000 has been paid, income tax 35,000 has been paid. Point number 3, income tax 35,000 has been paid. So to cash paid, 35,000 has been paid, 35,000 has been paid. Missing figure we can take into by profit and loss account, that is 40, missing figure 45,000, missing figure 45,000. So total 85,000, here also 85,000, therefore balancing figure 45,000 taken to P&L account. So provision of, what is the provision we have to provide for current year? 45,000 to be provided. So here 45,000 to be provided. So to provision for taxation 45,000 to be provided, Next, proposed dividend, So proposed dividend, opening 42,000, closing 50,000. Closing we have to post it in adjustment bill account, opening to be treated as an application of funds. To proposed dividend, closing, proposed dividend closing, adjusted P&L account, opening application of funds, Next, asset side, goodwill written off, So opening goodwill 1,15,000, closing 90,000, 25,000 reduced. Opening goodwill 1,15,000, closing goodwill 90,000, which means 25,000 amortized or written off, 25,000 written off, intangible assets written off, 25,000. Next, point number 2, interim dividend. Point number 2, interim dividend. That is 20,000. This is adjusted P&L account as well as application of funds, So 20,000. Next, depreciation plant and machinery and buildings given. We'll prepare notes for that. So that we come to know either we purchased or sold. So you have to prepare two notes. One for land and buildings, another one for plant and machinery. First one, plant and machinery account, ledger. So plant and machinery account is always a asset, Therefore, to balance brought down is always opening, because asset is always debit, opening. By balance carried down, credit always closing. Asset opening debit, asset closing credit. So plant and machinery opening 80,000. Plant and machinery closing 2 lakhs. Plant and machinery closing 2 lakhs. Depreciation point number 1. For current year for plant 10,000. For plant 10,000. For plant and machinery depreciation 10,000. So that's it. No other items are given. So 2,10,000 total. Total. Missing figure 1,30,000, which means two bank. Which means we purchased. So plant and machinery. This is application of funds. Right. One more ledger we prepare, that is land and buildings ledger. Plant and machinery is over. 1,30,000 purchased. Next ledger, land and buildings ledger. Land and buildings account. In land and buildings account also, that is also always asset. So to balance brought down, that is opening. Land and buildings opening 2 lakhs. This is opening. Asset opening is always debit. By balance carried down, asset closing, it is always liability. 1,70,000. By depreciation given in point number 1, land and buildings, depreciation point number 1 is given, that is equivalent to 20,000 20,000. Missing figure, we'll check it out. Either it may be to bank or it may be by bank. Now, debit side will be higher. Debit side will be higher. That is 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Then definitely it is going to be by bank. It is going to be by bank. By bank difference 10,000. 10,000. Which means we sold. Which means we sold. Sold means we have to post it in the sources of funds. We have to post it in the sources. We have to post it in sources of funds. That's it. So we completely prepared land and buildings and plant and machinery ledger. Now we'll come back to, there is no loss on sale or profit on sale. So straight away we come back to adjusted P&L account. So we come back to adjusted P&L account. Entered event paid we posted. Right. That's it. Now adjusted P&L account opening. That is P&L account opening 30,000. P&L account opening 30,000. Buy balance brought down. Buy balance brought down 30,000. See, in the balance sheet opening is given. The balance sheet opening is given. That is equivalent to 30,000. 30,000. Opening 30,000. Opening is given 30,000. So closing to balance carry down. Closing also given. 48,000. Closing also given 48,000. 48,000. I think everything we posted. So always debit should be higher. Debit should be higher. So debit should be higher. 2,60,000. Debit should be higher. 2,60,000. 2,60,000. 2,60,000. 2,60,000. So the missing figure is fund from operations. Missing figure fund from operations. Missing figure by funds from operations. Fund from operations. Fund from operations is always source of funds. So total 2,30,000. 2,30,000. So 2,30,000 is a missing figure, balancing figure. So now the second part is over. Balancing figure 2 lakh funds from operation. The third part, the last part, fund flow statement. The last part, fund flow statement. So fund flow statement. So fund flow statement, we have sources, we have applications. Sources and application. Sources, funds from operations. Fund from operations. That is equivalent to 2,30,000. 2,30,000. Right. Sources, we sold land and buildings. Sale of land and buildings. We sold land and buildings. So sale of land and buildings. 10,000. Right. Issue of equity shares from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs, 1 lakh. So issue of equity shares, issue of equity shares 1 lakh. Issue of equity shares 1 lakh. Right. Application. Purchase of plant. You can see notes. Already we prefer notes. 1,30,000. Purchase of plant 1,30,000. Similarly, increase in working capital application. Increase in working capital application. That is 51,000. 51,000. Taxes paid. That is equivalent to 35,000. Taxes paid 35,000. Redemption of preference share capital. Preference share capital redeemed. Opening 1,50,000. Closing 1 lakh. So 1.5 lakhs opening. Closing 1 lakh. Which means 50,000 redeemed. So 50,000 redeemed. 50,000 redeemed. Redemption of preference share capital. Proposed dividend last year paid now. Last year proposed dividend 42,000. 42,000. We paid now. Interim dividend paid. Interim dividend paid. Point number 2, 20,000. Point number 2, 20,000. 20,000. Preference dividend paid, because already we posted in debit side of adjusted P&L account. So therefore, its application also I told you already. So application of funds, this is going to be 12,000. This is going to be 12,000. That's it. So I think everything we have posted. Now tally. So total 2,30,000, 2,40,000, 3,40,000, 3,40,000 total. Here also 3,40,000. So source and application of funds, fund flow statement is over. That's it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Style Digitech and press the bell icon to see new videos.